Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking down what you ship, the minimum viable product that proves demand. Once done, articulate 1 to 2 success metrics so every decision maps to measurement. Then, make sure your CI/CD and staging environments are production-like and deployable. Simultaneously, align a small cross-functional launch team with a firm launch date and clear OKRs. This prevents scope creep and gives you concrete milestones to execute against immediately, instead of vague plans that never translate into launches. You now move into rapid execution. Iterate in short sprints and use feature flags so you can control exposure. While building, run automated unit and integration tests and schedule end-to-end and load tests to validate performance under realistic conditions. Once stable, release to a small beta cohort to gather real signals. Meanwhile, make sure your pricing, docs, in-product onboarding, support scripts, and analytics events are ready so that when you scale exposure, you capture behavior and can act on real data. You release broadly by incrementally ramping users and watching key signals: conversion, errors, latency, and qualitative feedback. Make sure rollback and mitigation steps are tested so you can respond immediately if metrics degrade. Communicate proactively with users and internal stakeholders about status and next steps. After the initial wave, analyze cohorts to learn what worked, prioritize the highest impact fixes, and schedule follow-up releases. If something fails, check the deployment pipeline and feature flags first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.